We thought that it would be nice to get you a flashlight so that you could play flashlight tag. Go ahead and try it.
Do it.
You gotta turn it on.
You have to turn it on.
What happened? What happened?
Let's see if Zach can do it.
Show Zach how to do it.
I know how to do it.
Turn it on.
Slide it. Like a regular flashlight.
What happened?
Brady, what did it do?
You try.
Oh, I tried.
She threw it at me.
Let me try. Let me try it again.
I did throw it at Nicholas. What happened to your shoes?
It's not working anymore.
It still works.
Try it.
Okay.
Oh, that part doesn't work?
I'm sliding it with the thing covering it. Who's he?
Oh yeah? Wait, no. Here, let me try.
Let Zach try it again.
Let's
No, not America.
Does it.
Let Zach try it again.
I was like, oh, do it.